5 reasons to use the TigerPak website. Number 1. Instant account and personalized dashboard. You can get an instant account by following a few simple steps. Your online account gives you access to your quoted prices, online order history, special order codes, view and pay your invoices, access your favorites, manage your addresses, all in one place. Number 2. Express order. Save time by using the express order form. Simply enter the codes and quantities you wish to order and add to cart. As simple as that. You can even download a template, fill it in your own time, and upload it back when you are ready, and let the site do the rest. Number 3. Carton search tool. Need a carton but don't know which code to order? Easy. Use our carton search tool. Simply fill in the dimensions and let the site find the perfect carton for you. Number 4. Freight calculator. Are you outside metro areas and not sure how much freight is? Don't worry, our site will automatically calculate it for you at the checkout. Number 5. Online exclusive promotional gifts. Online customers are rewarded every time by getting free promotional gifts at the checkout. These are only just a few of the many online features that are one click away. Shop online today at tigerpak.com.au.